Welcome to Education Mastery. If you're preparing for UGC Net TNSET exam, sure this channel will help you. In this channel, we have paper 1 related videos and paper 2 education related videos. Please check it. Most of the videos I have done in Tamil also, and some analysis based videos I have done recent August 2024 completed UGC Net. So those videos really it will help you a lot. Okay, those who are writing for KSET exams, just check all the analysis videos. It will help you to crack your exam. Now, in this video, most important topic in research aptitude unit, measurement skills, nominal, ordinal, interval, and ratio. Okay, nominal. Normally, what is measurement skills? Why do we use this? In research for data collection, for data analysis, we need to follow measurement scales. Okay, these scales are used across various stages of research and in different fields to quantify and analyze variables. Next, nominal scale, categorical. Categorical, just alphabets are there. Okay, if I need to collect data about how many males are there, females are there, just I collected and M, how many M, just M, F, I'm writing there. Okay, otherwise, if I need to collect some blood groups, okay, I make it A, B, like that is categories. So each category is unique and separate. Next, it forms the basis for more complex skills. First, we need to collect the data, we need to make some categories. Then no mathematical operations can be performed there. Only I've collected how many A group people are there. Oh, commonly used in surveys and questionnaires. So in research, how do we do this? Used for counting and categorizing variables. Non-numerical labels are assigned. Here, numerical, we don't use numericals here. Numbers we don't use here. And classification of qualitative data. Qualitative, quantitative usually in numbers we do. Okay, but qualitative data in depth we do. Otherwise, some categories like that alphabets will come. Normally, qualitative data in depth we do. For example, if I'm collecting data about the child, she was scored 70 marks in science. Only 70 if I write there, that is quantitative data. Okay, now I want to know why the child is scored 70 marks. Any problem is there? Those things in depth I do research. That time that comes under qualitative. Okay. So gender, male and female, favorite colors like that. If I collect it only in categories, that is nominal. Ordinal scale, rank order, rank. It's the key term there. Ordinal scale is a type of measurement scale used to rank or order data based on certain criteria. If I need to collect the data, it should follow some ranking system. I need to take this ordinal scale. Okay, the value indicate relative position. Where it stands, I know. But the differences between them are not necessarily equal or measurable. Okay, these scales are commonly used in surveys, ranking system, and assessments where the order matters, but the exact differences do not need to be quantified. Next. See, in research, where I use this, used to show relative ranking, but the difference between their rank is not quantifiable. Socioeconomic status, low, middle, high. Levels of satisfaction, unsatisfied to very satisfied. Students receive letter grades. In grades, we give the scores. So A, B, C, D, F, showing their performance in grades. In grades, if we show their scores, it comes under numerical, but here qualitative. So only in the grades we give. It comes under ordinal. Next, interval scale. Equal intervals, no true zero. This is key terms for this. An interval scale is a way to measure data that shows not only the order of value, but also the exact difference between them. Here, exact differences are there. But there we don't have any difference. In ordinal scale, we don't have exact difference. But ranking is there. Next, it doesn't have a true 0 point. Here we don't have any 0 point. Next, meaning that 0 doesn't represent none of what is being measured. Okay, then interval scales are often used in subjects like psychology and education. We use this. Now in research, where do we use? Useful for comparing difference between values. Temperature in Celsius or Fahrenheit. Then IQ scores and test scores, where 0 doesn't mean the absence of the trait. Next, allows for more advanced statistical analysis such as mean, standard deviation, and correlation. Here we use this. Yes, 0 means if child is scoring something 0, it doesn't mean that child is very weak. Maybe that concept child didn't study properly. Maybe other reasons are there. Okay. Next, Ratio scale. Ratio scale, we have true 0 point. A ratio scale is the highest level of measurement that not only orders and categorizes data, but also have equal intervals and a true 0 point. Okay. In a ratio scale, we can measure the actual amount of something and also zero. Ratio scales are commonly used in many fields, including science, finance, and education, where precise measurements are important. Here, 0 point also matters. Now, in research, where do we use this? Can measure absolute amounts and compare proportions. Measurement of quantities with a true 0 point, which allows for meaningful comparisons of ratios. Example include height, weight, age, income, or distance, those things. Measuring temperature in Kelvin, where 0K means absolute zero, no thermal energy there. And the differences between temperatures are meaningful. Even here, zero also matters there. Okay, next. See here, categorical data. This is numerical data. Mostly interval and ratio, we have numericals are there, quantitative data. Here, nominal and ordinal, only we have categories are there. We don't have numericals involved here. So nominal, no rank or ordering, qualitative, mostly qualitative data, categorical in nature, only mode we find. In statistics, we have, after you conducted research, we need to do statistics in that these kind of data, only mode we find. Next, ordinal, categorical also, rank also there. Qualitative, levels of satisfaction. Okay. Then only median and mode is there. We can find it. Numerical data. In numerical data, we have, it's measurable, but arbitrary, no 0 point is there. Naturally numerical data, GMAT scores and range is there in numerical data. Mean, median, and mode. These three can find it. Then ratio, naturally numerical, ordered data with absolute zero. Okay. Then weight, length, height, we can find it. Examples, mean, median, mode. All three, we can do it. Next. Percentile scores assume a scale of measurement called nominal, ordinal, interval, ratio, percentile. Even in UGC NET also, if exams conducted in 2 shifts, you get your scores in percentile, isn't it? So percentile scores, ordinal, ranking, relative ranking they will give there. Okay, they compare to your norm referenced assessment. In assessment, we have learned the norm referenced. Your score will be compared to others, those who have written with you, those who have taken the exam with you in your subject. Okay, so that is norm referenced. So percentile ranks are used to describe scores relative position. So 83% if you score, 83 percentile if you score, 83% of people are behind you. Okay, so keep it in mind. That is called percentile. 83 percentile means 83% of people are behind you. Okay. So where percentile ranks are used to describe scores relative position within a distribution which aligns with the properties of an ordinal scale, where the data is ranked but the intervals between ranks are not necessarily equal. Okay, very important topic. Okay, again you see this, and I'm planning to do more important videos. Those who have not subscribed, subscribe the channel. Thank you so much.